Mr. Speaker, sir, I rise to respond to the question raised by Honorable Kumar, and I want to thank the Honorable Member for asking this question. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Legal Practices Act 2009 regulates the legal profession and the practice of law in Fiji. Over time, issues in legal practice in Fiji have been identified that require legislative changes to be addressed. Mr. Speaker, in April 2023, we worked with the legislative consultant, Mr. Graham Powell, to initiate the review of the Legal Practices Act 2009 in order to align the regulation of legal services to that of international best practices for the legal profession in Fiji. Targeted consultations with key stakeholders were first held. This includes the Fiji Law Society, the Legal Practices Unit, law schools in Fiji, and the legal professionals. The consultant had also provided a draft bill that, in skeletal form, combined parts of the 1997 legislation with the 2009 legislation. In July 2023, Mr. Speaker, sir, public consultations were held in Suva, Lautoka, and Lambasa to provide an opportunity for concerned individuals and organizations to also provide their submission and express their views. Following this, separate discussions were held with the Office of the Chief Registrar and the Legal Practices Unit. The Fiji Law Society, we had made substantive submissions. The receipt of submissions and discussion extended into 2024, and our office is currently compiling a revised draft taking into consideration all issues raised thus far. Mr. Speaker, sir, our main consideration for this process was to ensure that consultations were held during the review of the Act, as this was not done in the 2009, when the current Act came into force and repealed the 1997 legislation. Mr. Speaker, sir, to give context, there are a number of other laws which make specific references to lawyers and legal practitioners and which have a direct bearing or application to the regulation of the legal profession in Fiji and to the practice of law. These laws relate to the following and must be considered in the context of the review and reform of the Legal Practices Act 2009. One is the financial obligation and duties of legal practitioners, the right of legal practice and of appearance in and before the courts, other laws and processes where lawyers have a role to play, laws relating to taking of oaths, and laws relating to management of the medical and dental professions in Fiji. Mr. Speaker, sir, whilst the review has taken a bit of time, I would like this Honourable House to be informed that we would like to ensure that any changes made is transitioned smoothly and efficiently. Given that this Act, in fact, one that governs legal practice and lawyers in Fiji, who in turn are responsible for upholding the rule of law in this country, it goes without saying the submissions received were extensive, complex, and delicate in nature. Consequently, there are new policy considerations that are to be considered, such as who ultimately will be responsible for the administration or regulation of the legal profession in Fiji, including the issuance of practicing certificates and facilitation of continuing legal education, resources available to assist with the role or roles and assessment of the capacity to undertake critical role in the legal fraternity going forward. As such, it is only fair to do justice for this review, which is still ongoing, without delay. Mr. Speaker, sir, it is our aim to table a bill in Parliament before the end of the year. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
I thank the Honourable Turaga, the Acting Attorney, for his answer.